Whoa, that's a lot of ice cream. I'm cooking up a storm. Hey, keep that away from my ice cream. Ooh, unbelievable. Did you say something, dear? Turn off the vacuum, Granny. At least there's some left.
Beep, beep, coming through!
Why does this keep happening? You ruined my ice cream. It's so annoying. Wow, that actually worked. This is your first challenge, a tasty lollipop. That's easy. I even have a special pot for it. I'll use a squishy marshmallow and sticky strawberry syrup. I'll put them into the pan. Then I'll crank up the heat. I don't want it to burn. That looks about right. Time to get to work. I'll roll the syrup up. This looks yummy. But I'm not finished. I'll twist the pieces together. It's so colorful. Now I need to chop it up. That should do it. I need to bend the top over. Delicious candy canes.
I want to try this. That's sour. I'll give it a stir. Oh yeah! Wow! Check this out. It needs to be bigger.
Ha! Amateur! I'm about to blow your minds. I've got everything I need. I'll fill these cookie cutters with the candy. This will be great. I need to freeze it. This should speed things up. It got cold in here. Wow, look at this. But I need to decorate it. It's going to be so bright and colorful. Let's start with a little yellow. I'm going to make a masterpiece. This is fun.
And this is heavy.
Watch it.
This is like a workout.
Are you okay, Unicorn? I'm pretty happy with that. Wow, look at these lollipops. Whoa, I can't move it. Fine, I'll just lick it. Ooh, that's so gross. I don't like it. Wow, candy canes? It's yummy. No way, pretty unicorns. It looks so magical. And it tastes even better. This is the winner. I knew it, woohoo! Time for the next challenge. A yummy drink!
No problem.
I better get started. I'll add milk to the blender. That should be enough. Next, I'll need ice cream. I'll add some large scoops. This will be delicious. I better whiz it up. Look at it go! That looks about right. Now for the finishing touches. It'll make all the difference. What's next? I'll add a chewy waffle. I just need to cut the middle out. This can go on top. I even whipped up a cake. This just gets better and better. Next, I'll add fresh fruit. And some candy, of course. Can't forget about the lollipop. Now for a little sparkle. It's a work of art. Am I supposed to be impressed? I'll show you. My drink will be nice and healthy. I'll mash up cucumber. And a nice crunchy carrot. In it goes! Eek! I broke the machine. That's okay. I've been working out. Give me that juice. Whoa, check this out. It's wonderful. What do you think?
Yuck! I'll make something better. You can't go wrong with chocolate milk. I better mix it up. Ooh, I'll add cream. Huh? Where is it? Come on! What's wrong with this?
Now this is funny.
Eek! Look out! Whoa, how did I do that? Now I'll add candy. It needs more chocolate. That's much better.
Over to you. Wow, these all look amazing. I'll start with this one. Blurry, that's horrible. Chocolate. And there's candy. Whoa, look at this drink. I've never seen anything like it. How am I supposed to eat this? Eek, Mayday. My yummy cake. This drink is the best.
Whoa, I won!
This time, I want a tasty donut. Don't forget the sprinkles. This will be so easy. I'll put the flour and milk into the bowl. I'll need sugar. Time to mix it up. I've got my dough. I need to cut it into pieces. This is the right size. But it needs some color. I only need a few drops. I'll use different colors. That's perfect. I'll mix it all up. Just like this. This looks amazing. Now I'll roll it out. This is going well. I'll stack them up and squish them together. Next, I'll slice it up. It's going to be like a rainbow. I need a big, long strip. I'll make it into a donut shape. Pretty neat, huh? Let's bake it. That's the best you've got? Watch this. I'll use a mug to cut circles in my dough. I'll give it a little fold. It's like origami. I'll make a cut in the dough. That was so simple. I'll fry it in hot oil. Wow, a perfect donut. Ooh, that's hot. But it smells great. Let's make it even better. I'll slice it in half. And squirt cream onto it. My mouth is watering. I picked these strawberries from my garden. It needs more cream. Then I'll put it on top. That looks tasty. I'd eat them all. My donuts are ready. It's time to decorate them. This is the fun part. Yummy sprinkles. Ta-da!
This is my time to shine. I'll raid my candy supply. It all looks tasty. Ah, I know. I'll start with chocolate spread. It's so gooey. Now for the crunchy cookies. I'll batch them up. Wow, this is amazing. I'll give it a quick stir. How does it taste? It's like a party in my mouth. I'll put it in this container. Then I'll need the soda cap. That'll be my donut hole. I've got to freeze it. This shouldn't take long. That sounds ready. This is exciting. Come on, open up. Take that and that. Whoa, a delicious donut. But I'm not done. I'll wrap it in gum. It doesn't get better than this. Wow, it's perfect. I'm a culinary genius. Here you go.
I'll try these ones first. Yummy, yummy. That's a tasty donut. Wait, is that gum? I'll give it a try. It's rock hard. I can't eat this. Ooh, these look good. I love strawberries. Granny wins, well done. Really? Woohoo, I'm the greatest.